Today I'm making buffalo chicken stuffed biscuits. First, in a large bowl I have a half a block of softened cream cheese. Next I'm going to add a half a cup of sour cream. Then I'm going to add 1 packet of ranch seasoning. Next I'm going to mix that up until everything is combined. Then I'm going to add 1/3 cup of buffalo sauce. Next mix that up until everything is combined. Then add 2 cups of cooked chopped chicken. Then add 1 cup of cheese. I'm using a mixture of cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. Then mix that up until everything is combined. Now I have a baking sheet that I lined in a can of biscuits that I'm going to open up. Next I'm going to lay the biscuits out on the baking sheet. Then take a biscuit and open it up almost all the way through, and then add a big spoonful of the buffalo chicken filling and then close up the biscuit. Then just continue filling the biscuits and then bake this at 350 for 15 minutes. Here's an up-close look of the buffalo chicken stuffed biscuits.